Hi, I'm Ramya Gumadavalli. I'm currently pursuing my BTech in Computer Science at SRM University, Amravati. I recently got placed in Amadeus Labs, which is a global scale company, and I'm really excited to work there. Getting placed is not only the effort that you put in the interview or for the past few months for preparing placements, but also the effort that you have putting for the past 3 years. SRM helped us to develop overall in different aspects like communication, behavioral, and technical domains. So we had an opportunity to work with 4 phases of CCC to improve our coding skills, and we also have domain training every Saturday by industry experts from Amazon, Uber to help us enhance our domain skills. And also we had different mock behavioral sessions from CDC department, and also we were trained on aptitude and logical reasoning from the CDC department. So I also have an opportunity to work as a teaching assistant for Python and Flat courses. This helped me to enhance my communication skills or subject knowledge in that particular subjects. And not only this, I had a university always encouraged us to participate in different hackathons. So this helped us to showcase our skills at the national level and also build some amazing projects. University has put lot of effort to collect the feedback from the student after every session in order to improvise or customize it to the every student or a specific company. One thing I want to share with the all people who are going to attend the placements or who are facing the placements right now is you need to believe in yourself no matter what. A lot of things happens, a lot of situations we face during this tend us to not to believe in ourselves or lose our self-confidence. But remember, that is the only key to get success. So just believe in yourself and you will surely get success.